So you know when you start to put things to the side, it starts small of course, maybe a task or two, and then they slowly add up and over time it accumulates to a level that gives you pure anxiety. That's been me. I've been meaning to clean my apartment, been putting it off, but let's clean. I definitely consider myself a pretty clean person. I like to keep my space tidy, especially that I work from home. But it's not always clean, y'all, and don't feel bad if your space is not to the cleanliness you want it to be. It's super normal to have these days or even weeks. We're humans after all, and to me, I think it's the bounce back that matters most. And I think it's super healthy to go through things and allowing yourself to feel whatever you're feeling for however long, so long as you acquire the grit to push through it and, you know, hopefully come out of it. Cleaning is super therapeutic for me, and even though I'm using a lot of energy, it doesn't really drain me, if that makes sense. And it's even better when I'm in full mood for it, just like today. I usually follow this 1-minute rule where if it takes less than 60 seconds to do it now. I think I actually started implementing this early last year and it's pretty life-changing, I would say. It's rare for you to see a dish on my sink. Like for example, while I'm cooking, I'm also washing the dishes I'm not using anymore so that by the time I finish cooking, I don't have a lot to wash. Pretty smart, right? Okay, I don't know why I'm on the floor, but I'm on the floor. But we just finished the kitchen area and also like the living room area. I still have yet to do the floor, but I think I'll do that towards the end. I'm actually such in a good mood to clean today. Like I was listening to music as I'm cleaning. Anyways, I still have yet to do my office and my bed area and then the bathroom, and then the last thing I'm gonna do is like vacuum and mop. Oh my god, also my battery's dying, no. Okay, actually perfect. I'm gonna go charge this. I'm gonna have like a little coffee break. I have my Starbucks right here. Whoever could guess what I'm drinking in the comments down below wins. And I guess I'll be back to cleaning once this is slightly charged. I'm not gonna do full charge, but I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey Google, set timer for 25 minutes.
25 minutes, and we're starting now.
Perfect. All right, little update. My sheets are currently on the wash and that will be done in 25 minutes and then I still have to dry it. So meanwhile, as we wait for that, I'm gonna be mopping the floor and actually vacuuming first and then mopping the floor and then get started on the bathroom. We're back on the floor. I did something very stupid. My timer went off for my wash, so then I went downstairs to go to the laundry room and I opened the thing and I was like, why is it like so dry? Turns out I turned on the dryer and not the freaking washer. So I just wasted $1.25. But anyways, it's now washing at the moment. But actually, there is something pretty cool, I guess. We got an Amazon package. This, I think, is the boots that I got from Amazon. Okay, so if you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that I recently bought like boots from ASOS, but that heel is like too high for me, that it hurts when I walk. So I wanted to buy something that's a lot shorter. Let's try them on. Okay, I actually changed into jeans and this is what they look like with it. I am obsessed. They look stunning. And it also makes me look very, very tall, and I love that. Anyways, I'm happy with this purchase. If you guys want the same boots, just click the link on my description. It'll be there. It's been a whole day of cleaning and it's almost dark, so I'm ready to eat. I'm ready to just relax. I'm gonna light a candle. This is one of my favorite scents. I'm not sure where I got this from, either World Market or Target, but this, I was gonna say flavor. This scent is so good. It fills the room with such aroma that's just so relaxing. I literally don't know what to do now. I just wanna lay down and maybe shower. Oh my god, look how cute. I love that color. I know it's almost fall and this is giving very much like summer vibes, but I love the colors, so I'm just gonna stick with it. Today was definitely a success. Actually, I'm gonna show you guys what we have done. So we cleaned everything in the sink. Everything is clean, just dirty dishes there. Very, very clean now. Ooh, what is that? Forgot about this one. Well, I guess we're not done yet. I still have to put this on the pillowcase. Office is very, very clean. I'm so happy I can finally work with peace. I don't know about you guys, but it matters to me what my workstation is, because like if it's dirty, my mind is also like, bruh. Anyways, yeah, cleaned that mirror, watered all the plants. I didn't film that though, but I watered all the plants. Now we're burning a candle and everything is good.